Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is actually going to be a really sad one. If you're one of my friends from school, you would have already known about this. But if you're watching this as soon as it was uploaded, my cat died 1 week ago. Video. YouTube. There's my dog over there. My cat got hit by a car. And died. I didn't see him get hit, but here's where he rests. His name was Merlin. He follows me around all the time. But yeah, if you're one of my friends from school, you would have already known about it. But yes, that's when my cat died. It was 23rd of August, I think he died, 23rd, because it is the 5th of, it's the 5th of August today, and when he died, I think it was the 23rd of July. Well, please remember to subscribe for my cat, and just say R.I.P. Merlin in the chat, in the comments, to pay any respects. And I'll see you. Be sure to subscribe, and goodbye.